So my name is Mike Manning. I work for the USGS. Our office is in the lower Mississippi Gulf. And today we're going to be out at Vicksburg on the Mississippi River collecting depth integrated samples for water quality and sediment. It just so happens our scheduled sample is due this time frame, and we have this crest coming through at Vicksburg. So today we're going to be measuring the flow with our acoustic Doppler. We're going to use that information to set up our sampling stations. And when we do that, we set up an equal discharge sample station across the river so that we're sampling the flow accordingly so that we can best represent the water quality. And so when we do that, we lower a depth integrated sampler and we sample from the top to the bottom. And that's very important to get those representative samples of the river so that our samples will show that in the data that was collected. So in doing that, we'll collect this and we use a clean hands, dirty hand protocol. This site here is part of one of the National Monitoring Network sites that is a large part of a national study of many sites, and they use this data, status and trends across the nation to monitor these large rivers. So this is one of our booms that we use here. We have a sophisticated setup where we can actually lower the sampler to consistent rate. We have tables and charts that we use to configure those, and we're in constant communication back and forth between the boat operator and the rig operator so that we're holding the boat steady in the channel, and we lower that sample and collect the depth integrated sample that I was talking about.